listen, welcome back to my channel. I am Corinthia Williams, your transformational coach, helping women transform mind, body, and soul. So listen, guys, I'm back on YouTube doing a Vlogtober videos. So what this means for me, okay, I'm not going to be vlogging every day, okay, but I will have a video out each and every day in October to get me back out of this rut I've been having a creative rut, okay? And I've been off of social media, like Facebook, Instagram, for about a month, 2 months now, and I've really neglected YouTube. So I do apologize to all my faithful subscribers. Thank you for not leaving me. Thank you for staying around. And to all my new subscribers, hey queen, hey, thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube tribe. And if you like these type of videos and if you want to see more, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Have your notifications on because your girl going to be pushing out videos every single day, okay, in October. So this is a continuation to the first video. So if you missed that first video, go back, check that out, because I was doing a couponing haul from General Dollar and Family Dollar. And I told you guys in that video that I had to go to Dollar Tree, the $125 Dollar Tree now, for some items too. Well, I had to go for one item, but I have a bag, y'all. I went for more. So let's check out what I got. So I originally went for this. This is a 7-day pill organizer. Okay. And so I like this because it was bigger. I had a smaller circular one and it couldn't hold all the vitamins that I want to take. All the vitamins that I need to take. And so I'm not doing that. You can see it has AM, PM. I'm just going to put all my vitamins for one day, second day, whatever. So that's why I got this one. I just needed a big one. So that was the original purpose of me going to the Dollar Tree. But you know, when you're at the Dollar Tree, you can't just get one thing. So I got some more stuff. I actually spent $15.68, okay? So I got that. I got 2 picture frames. You guys know Dollar Tree has tons of picture frames of all different sizes. I got these 2. So hopefully these work out. I'm putting these on the wall and they keep falling off the wall. I had expensive ones from Walmart. They kept falling off the wall. And so what I'm going to do is, these have like hooks right here. I'm going to try to get this lined up with the hook, but also I got some, oh, I'm about to break that. I got some of these to possibly put on the wall and on the back of it. I don't know, so it won't fall off. So these are fastener dots, okay? And it's like Velcro. And I also got this too. I picked this up first. I should have put it back because I did get these, but I picked this up too. This is a fastener strip. So you just cut it to size. At first I was thinking like putting it all the way around the back of it. But then I saw these and I said, well, I could put it at each corner of it. But I'm going to see what works. And along with the pictures, the frames, I got these little hooks. And so this would be good for the wall instead of banging a nail in the wall. Get these because they're like similar to command hooks where you just pull and it's sticky on the back and it won't mess up your paint. Because I plan on putting this in the living room. Okay. Got me a bag of chips. Girl, these impulse buys. I'm trying to do better. Somebody smack my hand. I'm trying to do better. But these are salt and pepper Utz chips. I'm going to get those to my son because he likes chips with his meal, with his sandwiches and stuff. So I'm not even going to do it. All right, this was so adorable. Okay, it says autumn. So I'm not really into the Halloween theme anymore. When I had a daycare inside my home, girls, I was Halloween down, okay? I'm not into that anymore. So I've been doing a little decorations here and there. And I just thought this was so cute to go in my kitchen. Right here, I'll show you guys. I have a landing right here with a plant, a vine plant. So I'm going to just stick that there just to spruce it up some. I also bought this. You see, I'm trying to match, right? Isn't that so cute? And I'm going to hang this in the living room where the pictures are going. Okay, so I'm going to give y'all when I put that up. It won't be in this vlog. I'm not doing it today. But it says, grateful, thankful, and blessed. I thought this was so beautiful. It doesn't say Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Halloween. It's just a fall decor to put in there. I'm going to show you what else. And lastly, I got these vitamin C drink shots things. And I thought this was cool because you know what's coming. Winter is coming. It is fall. Y'all like my yellow? But it is fall, y'all. Winter is coming. Cold months are coming. And so I said, let me start stacking up on stuff now. This pack has 2 packs in it. So that was pretty good for $1.25 each. So I got that. And that's it. I ain't buying nothing else for a day or so. No. As far as detergent and all that stuff, if you watch that other vlog, I got quite a few things. And I got some things previously. So I think I'm good for the rest of the month. I should be good. I'm trying to like not always buy the same things once every week. Find them when they're on sale. That's why we talked about clipping coupons and all that good stuff. So go back, watch that video. I'm out of here. This was a short video today, but y'all, stay tuned for more, okay? We're going to have some sit-down videos. I'm going to tell you guys what I've been doing and all that cute stuff. So stay tuned, y'all. So subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have some video ideas, some questions you have for your girl, and all that jazz, okay? So listen, if you're not a part of the Queen's Tribe, my private Facebook community is totally free. Go ahead, click the link below, join the tribe, be a part of the community, and I will see you in the next vlog. Peace. I love you, but God loves you more. That's how I ended all my lives and videos. I do that. So let me do it right. I love you, but God loves you more. And I'm going to see each of you at the top because there's no more room at the bottom. Peace. See you guys in the next one. Bye.